Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to do these lashes. Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I do my lashes, and I'm going to be using these ones. So basically mainly what you need today is lash glue, a really good one so then they could stay for a few days, and then some tweezers. So yeah, so this is optional. If you want, you can put the lash on your lashes, which is what I'm going to do today. So I'm gonna lift up my eyelid and not put that much lash glue on. I'm gonna ignore how atrocious my lashes, not my lash, my eyebrows look. So now that we're done with that, we are going to pick up, right, I prefer to go from like just 14 straight, but I'm gonna go 16, 14, 12, and then another 12. So I'm gonna pick up a 16 with the tweezers. I'm left-handed. You can like, so I start with my left hand, but you can start with your right hand if you like. And then we're gonna grab my lash glue. Just a bit blind, don't worry, we're good. So we're gonna put some lash glue on the lashes. I'm currently using the P. Louise lash glue. It's really strong. It's a really good lash glue. And then we're just gonna shake for 30 seconds. 15 to 30 seconds, I don't know how long that was. And we're just gonna lift our thing up, and then hopefully the lash will comply and not stick to the tweezer. Make sure to wash your lashes your tweezers before you use it. So we're gonna place it under and then get it off and then push it. Okay, so that's how the first one's looking. And now we're gonna do a 14. Oh, I accidentally picked up two 14s. I can use that for my next one. And we're going to grab your lash glue again, which I keep losing. And then we're gonna put more lash glue on the lash, on the next lash. And you're gonna close it so then it doesn't dry out. And then you're gonna shake for 30 seconds or 15. And then we're gonna place that right next to the lash that we've just put on. Stop sticking to me. Stop sticking to my lash tweezers. Right, yet again, I don't think I've shaked it long enough. Okay, stick. No? Okay. Right, my lashes are not listening to me currently. Right, try this again. 1, 2, and 3, and stick. Yes. So then that's how our second one's going to be looking. And now we're going to go on to the third one, which would be the 12. So we're going to be using a 12. I got a cold. It's been snowing today, guys. I'm really happy. Because it literally never snows where I live. So I'm really happy. And I'm going to put some more of this on. Right, I need to learn to make sure that the lashes are tacky enough. Okay, I think that's enough. And then so we're just gonna stick these lashes really don't like listening to me today. I've used them before, but like it took a lot longer because I was using my fingers because I can't find my tweezers. Okay, cool. So we've now got 3 on. And so now we've done 12, so we're gonna do a 10. And then we could also do an 8, but I don't know. It just depends how like how much space there is left on my eye. And I'm still trying to find my eyelash glue. I put it in the same place every time and I still lose it. That does not make any sense, does it? Oh, I put way too much on. Right. So if you put way too much on, take the excess off on the stick of the lash glue. Woo. And then we're going to shake for 15 to 30 seconds again. Right, this is not sticking, I'm going to generally crash out. So now we're going to stick this on. No, wait, if I just push that up. No, that's all right. Okay, we're going to try this again. I'm going to stick my lash. Oh, I sometimes hate doing my lashes. Makeup is my therapy until it makes you crash out. And then, so that's like the first lash done. I'm also going to be getting a mic soon and a ring light, so you can like see properly and you can hear me properly as well. I just gotta order it. And so now we're gonna move on to my next eye, because if you notice there isn't that much room. Plus, if you notice on there, you cannot see any of the lash, like my lash, any lash, like natural lashes type of thing. I can't explain it. It's okay. Okay, so now we're just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. So we're going to grab our glue. We are going to put the lash thing there. Yet again, this is optional. And this is just what I prefer, so then they can last a bit longer. And so we're gonna basically paint our eyelashes. You can use Bond and Seal. I prefer to use the P. Louise lash glue. It just lasts way longer. And then, so we're going to pick up our 16. Did I pick up all of it? I think I did. Okay, cool. Then we're gonna wrap it onto it with the tweezers. Right, so for you, it would be this hand for this side. And then for me, it would be my right hand. Oh, no, we caught it. It's okay. We got it. No, we don't. For me, it's maybe my left hand, but for you, it'd be like your right hand, I think. Because most people are right-handed anyways, so... Yes, I'm hoping you can hear me properly. You most likely can't, no one. Okay, so now I'm going to try to put the lash on without it tipping to the side. I can't do this today, can I? I genuinely can't. Right, okay, cool. So I'm going to go like... No, because I want to twist it so it's like not that way. I keep forgetting. Oh wait, maybe that's why. And then, so we're going to glue it on to the eyelash. Okay. Right, that's gone way better than the other side, because the other side will not listen to me. Now we're gonna go in with our 14 yet again. I always use 14, like for all of them, because it's like the perfect size. It's not too big, but then it's not too small either. So now we're going to do this again. We're gonna put some more lashes on, lash glue on. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We're gonna blow on it. And then we're going to try to stick it on, maybe, question mark. I'm not going close enough. I don't know if you guys can actually see properly, but it's okay, because I believe in you. I believe you guys can do it. Okay, cool, so that's stuck. That's stuck perfectly. Now let's hope that the other ones do as well. Right, so now we've done a 16 and a 14 on both sides. I should have used a 14, now I've accidentally pulled out. Then we're going to use a 12 and a 10. So we're going to grab the 12 yet again. Then we're going to grab our lash glue yet again. We're going to put the lash glue down. And we're going to put it on like this. And then we're going to... I'm going to show you what it should look like. So it should look like this. Where it's not too much but not too little. And then we're going to shake it. And then we're going to apply it. Oh, I don't think I've done this right. I think the 16 needed to be more over. But like, it's okay. I believe in myself. And then we're going to put it onto my lash. Okay. Now we're going to do a 10. So with that, I'll show you now what you should be doing. Alright, I'm with them. So with the tweezers, you're going to, where's 10? 12, 10. So with the tweezers, you should be going like this, underneath, and then curling. But sometimes it can break, but that's okay. But like, it's okay. Ooh, my lashes. I'm gonna break them now, aren't I? Okay, so now I'm gonna shake. I wasn't this like talkative yesterday, was I? I love doing lashes and hate them at the same time. And I'm gonna stick them. No, we're not. I'm gonna take it back off. I'm gonna reapply. Why is it twisting? Oh, I might have to redo the whole side. Wait, no. Wait, never mind. Maybe not. Okay, so they've all stuck. Yeah, they've all stuck. So now what we're gonna do, you're gonna grab your tweezers and then you're going to clamp them down. So then you make sure that they're all sticking. And then clamp down. And then you're just gonna wait like a few seconds for the other side to dry off a bit. And then you're going to clamp down on this side. Ow, that hurts. I accidentally grabbed it with my skin then. And then you're going to clamp down on this side. And then you're all done. You've just done your lashes. I don't know if it is for this first time, but I hope it is. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.